Yeah, you are saying something, Vivek? Okay. Obe, have you done your assignment?
Vicky, you're not audible.
Okay, let me show you.
Yeah, you can share your screen, Obe. Vivek, you have
That's boy,
sound
I
problem, I
need
think so.
mass.
Yeah.
Anyway, I did something but differently. I did something but actually different. Where is it? Is it okay? You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
So this is just what I did. You see?
Yeah.
I did differently. This is the
Yeah.
URL,
Yeah.
and this is the
You
the ID, the
okay?
locator
Located.
for the search box.
Okay.
Then I type Agra
Okay.
and then click on Agra.
Okay.
So let me see the where is it? You see?
Mm-hmm.
This is it. Let me refresh and run again. So it will type Agra
Okay.
and then click it.
Mm-hmm.
So the same thing can happen here also.
Okay. Good.
Guys, though I did it differently, not like yours, just
Yeah,
to
but at least you
practice.
try differently, no? That's why I appreciate.
Yeah. So like I did others too, like we did before. It's
Mm.
because we have done this before.
Yeah.
We've done it before. So I decided to do something different.
Okay.
Something
Great.
different. So yep. Let me stop sharing.
Great. What about you, Deepa?
Sir, I haven't done. I will try to complete it on weekend,
Okay.
all the programs.
Okay.
Sir, can you please paste a screenshot of program and our group? That will help me.
Sure. You do one thing, Deepa. Like whenever I'm do practical, now you just follow that practical at your PC.
I'm not getting what you're saying.
I said when I do lecture, no.
Okay.
So don't listen. You do practical.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. At the time of lecture only,
Exactly.
you are
Exactly.
saying. Okay,
Exactly.
okay.
Because see, we all are professional. We don't get time after, but you know.
Yes, that is only happening with
So no
me
worry, it will
currently.
take time to do each step, but it will work for you, you know, if you do simultaneously. Because whatever you are learning now, it's not a theoretical things; it's a practical
Right.
thing. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
So you
yes.
just started with your system, okay, like you know, VS Code and all Node.js, Cypress install in your system. So you do practical. So you can be like obey also do the same thing. Whatever I am doing, he do simultaneously. So he get a little bit different logic. You know, he can use that logic in a different way.
Okay, okay. Okay, I will try to
Exactly,
follow.
exactly. So where is Vivek left? Vivek left. What happened to Vivek?
He's facing network issue, I guess.
Okay.
Have you done automation on desktop application before? Shakel,
Yeah. Wait. Tell me.
I say, have you done automation on desktop application before?
No, actually, before like there was one tool. Still, their tool is there. QTP by
What?
using QTP.
QTP. QTP.
QTP.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now the name has been changed of the QTP. But by using QTP, I have done the desktop application long back. But afterwards, when I moved to Selenium and Cypress, so I never done dashboard as of now.
Okay.
So you guys working on dashboard application?
Yeah, we have
So
desktop
which
application.
tool you are using right now for desktop application?
Excuse me?
Which tool you are using?
We've not done any automation yet. I'm trying to introduce the automation for it. And I'm planning maybe robot framework RPA,
Okay,
because Cypress is just for web.
exactly. Cypress and Selenium are only web-based application. So you cannot use for
Yeah,
desktop-based application.
yeah. There is a
Yeah.
Win app drive, but I prefer robot framework RPA,
Okay, RPA.
maybe
Okay, yeah.
RPA desktop robot. Yeah, we
Mhm.
can use it.
Okay.
Sir, is it possible to perform regression testing? Sorry, responsive testing using Cypress, like mobile devices testing?
Might be, but I haven't done using Cypress. The mobile testing.
Okay.
Yeah, as of now, it's only useful for web-based application, which people mostly use.
Okay. So, using simulator, I guess we can perform, right?
Using simulator, we can
Simulator.
perform. Yeah, but to be frank, I actually know I'm into web-based application only, so little bit less knowledge in the, mobile. I have to research on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you haven't done automation for mobile based.
Using Cypress, I haven't done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Think you can use Cypress, but you need additional maybe Appium.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's
APM is there.
uh,
APM is there, correct?
Yeah, maybe Appium to do it.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, I'll share my screen. Can you mute Deepak?
yes, yes, yes. Sorry.
I'll just go to this side here. Now we'll day before yesterday we have seen the dynamic drop down. Now today we'll see how to automate the static drop down. Okay,
Yeah.
like we have we have completed this one. Okay, today we'll see how to automate the static drop down buttons. Okay, so first just check it out the uh, locator for this one. Go to inspect. Now you can see the select class is there. So whenever the static dropdown is there, you will get the select class. Can you see it? So
Yeah.
this one is your tag name. This one is your attribute, and this one is your value. Tag name, attribute, and value. So I'll take this tag name here. For instance, I'll take one, and you do for other for me. Okay. So see Deepa carefully. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Control F. Now I am using this formula. Which formula I am using here? Like tag name in the box. This is tag name. This one is attribute equal to single quote. You have to put the value. This formula you have to use to find the locator.
Okay.
You can also use if class is there. You can also use just by putting dot here and class name.
Okay.
Okay, and if you have any space in the class name, you just remove the space by putting dot. And if ID is there, you just put the hash and your ID. Okay, and in the
Okay.
ID name, you will not find the space. Only in the class, sometimes you can find this space. And like in some cases, you can find IDA class is dynamic. Okay, so if your IDA class is dynamic, then in that case, you can use the XPath, which we haven't started yet, or using tag name attribute value. This formula you can use. Dynamic class name and dynamic ID means what? The it always changes,
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you show one example for dynamic attribute or dynamic value?
Yeah, we'll see it when we get once we get
Okay.
a new website, no, a live website in which if you see that every time whenever we put the class, it changes, so we can change it.
Okay.
It is nothing new, like the classes get changed every time,
Sir, can we use a tag name with class or ID so to make it unique?
Yeah, you can use like in this case you can see type is zero, not no, type is not there. You can use name, ID. This one you can use. Okay, now for this formula I can use, like for instance, if suppose I use this one FD process ID. See what happened now. My select is a tag name. Okay, I'll just copy this one. FD processed ID. I copy this one. Select is my tag name. Now I'll just put the attribute FD processed ID equal to my tag name. So see, this one is unique or not? Yeah, this one is one of one. I can take this one. Okay, I just take this one, copy it. I go here. Now I'm having this different locator. Okay, I can use different locator. So don't see this one. This one is for. I'll choose another one. Okay. Now again, yeah, this one is totally common. Okay. Describe, eat block, visiting the Air India, and the exception. This one is common to everyone. Only change here. What do you want? So in this,
Sir, we can write this exception handling in it block also, or it should be only in
better.
describe.
You can add anywhere, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Now
So
again,
you will be covering all types of exceptions, right?
actually all types of it's not like that. We have this exception only uncaught exception here. This one will cover.
And what about others? We will require those, right?
Other it's not mentioned in the syllabus, other type of exception, like only you can use this one. If there is one exception, other exception we will also cover that one also. But as of now, if you use this one, it will cover all the exception which I found, like up till now. Like in Selenium, you can find many exception handling cases.
Right, right.
Yeah, but it is
In
Cypress.
that.
Yeah, I haven't met with that. But if I found, then I can use it. Okay, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I'll just take one example for you. I'll use this CY.get to form. Okay. Now see, this one is your uh, static drop down. Use select, correct? This is a tag name. So in that case, you can use for that select here. Select. You can choose select function. And if you go to your website Air India, so you can see here what to select. So check, select any number here. If I want to select 5, just put 5 over there. Select in double quote, put 5 here. If you want to find, if you want that this select is 5 get selected or not, in that case you can use assertion like should, this was your assertion, should have in single quote, should have dot your value, like put the value here, value which value you choose, 5, put your 5 comma single quote, put 5. Now run this one.
Sir, what is the main use of assertions? Means is
Assertion
this
is
mandatory?
assertion is used to check it out whether your test case get passed or fail, your value gets selected
But
or not.
we can check also on the test runner na. If we got the red alert, then this also work as same as assertion na. So means is there any specific use by using this assertion? If you're not using this, then this will going to any impact on code or not? Like
It is see whatever we do only testing purpose. Okay, it is not affected on our code. Code is different thing. Okay, which is
so
then.
sir, if we not write select, oh sorry, sure, this should assertion,
Mhm.
then what happen means if so we can select this value 5 na, and up so our test is also getting passed. So
Correct. So see, if I don't use without assertion,
hmm,
okay, and if I use assertion, so what is the difference between them? Okay, so
yeah,
like if you want to mention here something, that your test case gets pass, fail, you can use assertion here. The main purpose of assertion that to let you know the end user that your test get passed or fail.
And,
As if
and this
now,
is
as if now,
required, right?
as if
While running test cases,
yeah.
this is mandatory, right? Including assertion is mandatory, right?
No, it
If
is not
we
like
are
it is not like that. It is your convenience that yeah, I have done the right thing.
okay, okay,
okay.
Like for
But
It's
instance,
just a, it's
it
just
is
a
the
declaration.
programming practice, right, to write assertion.
yeah, you can say
Okay.
A
yeah.
or
declaration
sir,
in your
if
program
you want,
to confirm your test passes.
Yeah, correct away.
Like this one now is the assertion here is 5, have the value 5. So if it passes, it means that this test case passed. But if it fails, it shows that it didn't. For example, if you change this 5 to 6, the test will fail. Like should have value. If you change it to 6, that test case will fail.
See what happened. You know what happened in some cases. Like you put 5 year, okay, but sometimes what happened because of issue in code that file is not get selected. Okay, so in that case, the assertion says to tell to us that yeah, the file is not get selected here. Got my point?
Sure.
Like if you have suppose 100 test cases, okay, and you have to put here and there 5 number, 6 number, everywhere you have to put some numbers, and you are not using any assertion. And in some script, what happened? The number is not picked correctly. So how we come to know where we get the result? Where our like failed. Like even though it says that it's selected, but we cannot see that one. So in that case, the assertion come into picture by which we can understand, yeah, this one is get pass or fail. So it's a good practice to use assertion. Got my point?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what
And
we'll
sir, one
do?
more thing.
Yeah, yeah.
So if we want to select the 5 value, then we can also use locator for this instead of dot select method. We can get this
No,
value by
actually,
using
no, actually,
locator,
what you are doing, see, you come here to this site,
right?
and this
Click on
static drop down, you can see here in the DOM, it is select. It has select a tag name.
Right.
So by using the select, you are just picking any number by using select. So if you go here, you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 1. Option is there.
Yeah, yeah. This means this way is pretty much easier. But I just want to confirm that key. If we can use this, we can use locator or not for this for select the value from the static drop down.
See, like if you want to, like which locator you want to take. Here tag name
Huh?
is option, correct?
Yeah,
You want to choose like this. Under select, you have to choose option value one, like this. This one
yeah,
is your tag
yeah.
name. This one is your attribute. This one is value.
Yes,
Like for instance, I want to select like this. Select. I want to choose. So option value equal to 5. So
yeah,
yeah. So you mean to say I have to remove this select here.
yeah. This is pretty much simple, but I just want to confirm we can use this or not.
Yeah,
Like,
you can check it out now.
yeah. So sometime we forgot to. We means
Sorry,
if you forgot to select, then we can.
See
sorry, it's not
now
audible.
this one is your main locator.
Yeah. So
Okay.
to access
Now
this,
now you are here now. Now again you have to go to another way. So you can use the find now. Correct? Now under find you have to write down like this. Option. It is a tag name. Correct?
yeah.
Now option. Now this is your attribute value equal to 5 in a 5. Okay.
Hmm.
Now one thing what to do like you need to click that one, okay, to select. Here I'm using the select.
Yes.
It
Yeah.
automatically select here, but here it's not
Yeah.
selecting, no.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
again
Yeah.
I have to use the click here now.
Yeah.
Then again I have to click. Then again I have to use the force to
Hmm.
here.
Okay. So to optimize the code, we can
No,
use
see,
select directly.
I cannot justify right now here whether my code is also wrong because I never learned like this,
Hmm.
because already the
Means sir,
Cypress
there is a
document,
multiple way to select the
exactly,
object.
but the Cypress documentation giving us the like scenario,
Exact. Yeah.
easy scenario, okay. But if
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
want to check this one is also a good habit, no practice. We should know that. So I haven't done this
Yeah.
one, so I can just run this one and let you know that it's working or not in front of you. Okay.
Also, we can use another cy.get to click on this option values formula, right?
Yeah, correct. So I'll run this one. You guys are very logical, giving trick to me. Obi also solving it in a different way. You also giving something new to me, which I have never done. Yeah, it's a good habit.
Yeah.
See, I get error here. Okay, it's very
Timeout
fast.
error, sir.
Yeah, it's very fast. So I'll just put some time here. Save it. See, okay, got it. What happened now? I'm getting this problem here now. Why I'm getting this problem? Any guess? Not able to find this, even though we have this in the locator. Any guess?
You said what?
Same. This is not unique locator for that value, right?
This one is unique locator, So if I copy this one, if I go here, see here. Can you see? One of one. Just got this.
Yes.
Can you see one of one? It's a unique one.
Yes. This is unique. Yes.
Yeah, so you should pick now.
Sir, dot find method should always followed by the parent na, after.
Yeah, should also followed by the parent. So this one is your child. I close this one. So what I'll do in that case, for instance, I'll just give and I'll just try using select function. Let me check what happened now. Whether this by using this function it giving the same error or not, I have to check. Again,
Same.
not
Oh,
selected.
sir.
Now what I'll do cross check. Instead of this one, I use this value. This locator I use and try to see what happened now. Give fine here. Can you see the file get selected here?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. And now you can see the assertion here in the green color. Have value 5. Okay, now if I change 5 to 6, okay, now my scenario is like that. I want here also 6 should get selected. Okay, now what happened by having some error in the code, the system copied only 5. It select only 5, and I want that 6 should be selected. So what the system do, instead of 6 it selected the 5. So in that case, see what happened now.
The assertion will fail.
Assertion failed. Can you see what happened now?
Yeah, it
Assertion error.
fails.
It fails. Here you can see here to have value 6, but the value was 5. So like if you have 100 or 1000 line of code and suppose if 5 or some value not get selected, so how you come to know without assertion? That is the reason the assertion come into picture.
Yeah.
Got it? Vivek and Deepa?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Got it. But sir,
Yeah.
why our this means recently created code was failed means for
This one fail? You're talking about this one?
no the code we commented for the locator na means can you please yeah so the commented code on the line 234
This one.
yeah so why we are not getting output by using this because we are getting one as
See,
one
what happened?
unique locator.
There are many locators which cannot get the proper result. That is why the Selenium guys or Cypress they always enforce us to use the class and ID locator, even though this every process is ID only. Correct? So sometimes the locators work, sometimes not. But if you use the select proper one, like ID and classes, so it will work. In this case, we can just check it out. This select every process, see the spelling and all these things is giving us the one and two one. Correct? But when we use
Mm-hmm.
this one, you're not getting the result here. Even though you
Okay,
put
okay.
all
Means
this stuff same. Yeah,
okay, okay. So our priority for the locator should be ID or class.
exactly. If ID class is not getting, then you can use another one. If this one is also not working, in case ID class is not there, use another one. If all the locators are not working, then you can use the parent-child concept. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So this one, the main thing that you have to select the proper one, like ID and class. Got it? So, like you have
Yes.
your system in front of you, correct? Now I have selected this adult one. So can you guys try for these children and infant right now? These two stereo problem is all here only in front of me. This is the code. This is the code for you. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you try?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Try and let me know what result you're getting now.
Okay.
Sir, from the top declaration, I want a code.
Yeah, yeah. I just
I'm doing it.
yeah, yeah, yeah. See.
I am done. I am ready. So let me see. Where is the
Deepa, can you just mute?
Sorry, sorry.
Yeah. or any one of you want to share your screen? It's okay. It's good.
Okay.
Yeah. Who is going to share? Obey. Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll stop sharing. You try.
So can you please paste a screenshot in our group? Old
You can see?
screenshot, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sharing.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah. One second.
Yes, sir.
No. I'll just share the code to Deepa. Oh, you have done. Obey. That's great.
Yeah.
You did for all. Okay. Great. Just now you finished, or you have done.
I've practiced it already.
Okay.
I have a lot of practice, you see?
Exactly. Great. Great. Yeah. Yeah.
Different,
Yeah.
different. So
Yeah. That's
like
great.
these different types, different thing.
Great. Great.
I'm just practicing. So I'll stop sharing now.
Yeah. Good. That's great. Obey has practiced a lot. So Obey, till the Deepa and Vivek complete their assignment, can you just try to automate the calendar?
Calendar. Okay.
Yeah. If you want, you can share it to us. We all see what you are doing.
Okay.
I'm not able to see your screen, Obey.
Okay. Let me share it
Yeah.
while I'm doing it. Can you see my screen?
No.
Can see?
Yeah.
You see now?
Uh, no. Again, it's not getting displayed.
Let me see why
Network
displaying.
issue?
It's showing now.
No.
It's showing now.
Just wait. Yeah, it's getting displayed now. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
See Deepa and Vivek.
Okay. Let me check. See.
I think dot is missing for cy.get UI data picker trigger.
Excuse me?
Is there a dot missing? Class dot.
Okay, yeah. You.
Good. Good, Vivek.
Thank you, sir.
So let me test this first,
Yeah.
just to click and then I continue. Okay, it clicked. This is
Yeah.
one. Let me change to two to zero.
Yeah. Correct. Sometimes index get fail. Yeah.
Okay, this clicked now.
Yeah.
Let me try this if it will work. It's wrong. Okay, this one is too long.
Mm-hmm.
Let me use this. Okay,
Assertion error.
dots. Let me see
Dot. Yeah.
this.
Uh,
This is a simple code. Simple one.
again.
Yeah.
See, at again, space is there now. UI stayed over. There should be dot
What?
now. Remove that space. UI stayed over.
Space where?
Line number 8. Put dot.
After
Yeah.
default.
Yeah.
After
And
default.
after default, remove the space.
Okay, yeah.
Put dot. Yeah.
Uh,
Now save it and run it. Great.
yeah.
Yeah. Now try for second one. Second calendar.
Okay.
Deepak, can you see what we are doing?
Yes, just I'm not getting how Obey is capturing locator while executing that uh, com- program.
This is very easy. The same concept. See
He's
the class.
picking locators at the time of execution, right? That I'm
No,
not.
at the time of execution, he's not using any locator. He's just putting the space, remove the spaces and putting the dot. Now see here. For second calendar, he used CY.get and that locator, the class locator. Okay. Now he's using the EQ because we have two calendar. So first one is we use EQ0 means zeroth index calendar we use. Now second one is EQ1 and we're just clicking here. So simple. Now
Simple one.
yeah, in the next step we just after the calendar get open, then we choose the day date of that particular 1 2 3 4. See, now it
But
clicked.
but how we are selecting a particular date? We
So
haven't
he
mentioned
select that.
where to
Now he
choose.
select 21. So he go for 21 and inspect it. See,
Okay.
this one
So for
21.
21, yes, yani, yes, find that locator.
Yeah,
Yeah, 21 value.
yeah. So locator is same like 21 is if for each date that locator is changed. So he use that 21 by going to 21 and clicking the like inspect and select it. Got it?
Yes.
Got it? Or like
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Actually, I haven't executed a single program yet. That's why.
Okay. Now see, obey. It's a bad practice. Obey, correct? See what you do.
This?
You
Yeah.
go back, go back. Now put control. Yeah, just check it out. You control F. It is one of one or not. Have you checked? Yeah, you
Well,
check. Yeah, you checked one of one. Correct. Now copy and paste it. Yeah. Now inspect it. Yeah. Now copy this one and paste it to that control F. First you remove that one, that text. Yeah. Now select after removing this one. Yeah. Now select.
is this?
Yeah. Copy that one. Yeah. Now remove the class. Put dot. Remove the dot. Yeah. Space. Now check it out. It's one of one or not. Yeah. Correct. Now copy and paste it.
I think. Okay. I mean, it is.
Yeah.
Um, it's quite. Something is wrong.
You selected 21.
Yeah, it's selecting because this is
This one is
universal.
exactly this one is not enabled now as of now.
Yeah, I
So
think
yeah,
it's
you
always
go back.
selecting.
You can choose the December or January calendar.
I should choose what?
I think this calendar cannot feature the future date, correct? It's not enabled, correct?
It's enable feature.
But not getting selected now.
Yeah. Okay. This is second. Let me try
Yeah,
maybe
try for 3rd of
this.
Feb. Yeah.
If I want to copy this here. Why? Doesn't work. Don't know what to do.
I think there is a error in the script,
Yeah.
Index is wrong.
or you can just
What did
give
I
some.
do?
You can just give
What did
some
I
weight.
do? What did I comes there? It should click this.
It works.
It works.
Yeah. What happened previously?
Select. I think I use the Cypress
Okay,
locator.
locator from here. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So something is wrong with this
Okay.
here. So the problem is from here.
Mm-hmm.
So but anyway,
Yeah. So sometimes you're getting problem, right? With locator, you can also use the force true in the click function.
you said
Force true in the click function.
okay, false.
Force colon
Okay.
true. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Let me try that and see.
Yeah, try it. Let me know. Colon. Yeah.
I need to change my keyboard because it's in multiple language.
Okay. Save it. Run it.
It will fail. I
Okay.
think the
Okay.
locator is the problem.
Do one thing. Can you just put a weight?
Wait, right?
Yeah, for 2 second.
The after here,
Yes.
here.
Yeah. CY dot weight 2000 ms. CY dot weight 2000. Yeah. Save it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. No.
No, the locator is wrong.
Locate is wrong. Yeah.
So except I use this,
Yeah.
I will
Okay.
use this.